What's up, everyone? Again, I'm using some little bit of olive oil and just a little bit, we gotta keep it on a low temperature. And I have put some, just 4 ounces of chicken. 4 ounces of chicken. And guess what? I put some mixed nuts, you guys. Mixed nuts is really, really good, for you. But it was just about 1 scoop protein. I use it mixed nuts, cashew, walnut stuff, and I always get them organic. So now what I do, I put already rice that I have already made it separate. So after I saute the nuts a little bit, along with the little chicken, looks like that. Then I put the rice on top of it. I put the rice, just about 1 cup of rice, cooked. So it's really not much. I don't like to be have too much of carbs when we're all worried about, keeping our immunity nice and high. So that's why I'm using the nuts. Believe it or not, those type of nuts, everything except pistachio, it doesn't bother your stomach if you're on a low food MAP diet. So you can digest it and not have a problem. And because I'm not using any vegetables because of my stomach, so I'm using the nuts. They give me a beautiful fibers, some vitamins, and all the irons, all the good stuff. And I also have that really good seasoning. It's lemon, ginger, and turmeric. So I put a little bit there, and it's really give it nice texture. And at the same time, it's an amazing, like we said, between the ginger and the turmeric, you're getting, a double whammy of a great antioxidant. And not to mention, we keep our cell, especially our T cell, nice and healthy, so we can attack anything comes near us, include coronavirus. I'm sorry, I'm just talking too much. And of course, at the end, after we get done cooking, just heat it up nice, switch it, put some sea salt, Himalayan sea salt on top of it. And literally, if you have everything prepared, the chicken is already cooked, the rice already cooked, you put the nuts, you saute a little bit with a little bit of olive oil. Remember not to burn the olive oil. And voila, look at that, man. Look at how nice, yummy, and my tummy. And I will see you next time with some more recipes.